Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Tracy, and this is my YouTube channel. This is some of the stuff that we do. I got this lawnmower here. Got to rebuild one of the hydraulic pumps. It's leaking, and I got this trailer here. The other big project. This trailer has a bent axle on it, and it just needs a little bit of stuff done to it. Not a whole lot. Repainted. Needs a new deck on it. And we're gonna put some tires, some fenders. I guess it does need a little more than what you would think, just by looking at it at first glance. You know, we got to put some new boxes on there to hold the lights in. We're gonna put the ramps back on. Alright, that's like you flip your trailer over to check it out. It's got some skid marks on it where the tires have skidded to a stop. But this back axle is absolutely bent. Hey, Cooper. This one looks fairly new, actually. So that's a plus. Maybe there's a tag to tell me what this is. Get back. Get back, boy. Of course, it's stuck on there where you can't really see it, but we're going to remove this back axle anyways, so we will find out then.
Okay, next step is, if you look at all them cross members down through there, each and every one of them, they, well, you know, they have a little bit of a bow to them. So, the ones that have a bow, I'm going to try to hammer back down. And, I'm going to try to hammer those back down and see where we're at. All right, so we're going a different route since all these cross members in here, they are all bent, and well, I'll just let you take a gander down them. I don't know if it really does it justice. They might not look bad here, but they've all got a belly in them. You know, it goes like, you know, a little uphill curve. So I guess not all of them, but most of them. You can really see it over here. I don't really know if the camera shows it, but you know, they've all got a little bend to them, and it's just probably going to be easier to replace them because now they're fatigued. So had some of this square tube, rectangle tube, whatever you want to call it, laying around. It's not super heavy. The trailer's not super heavy duty, but that's going to be our new cross member. So there's going to be a lot more to this process now, more than I thought. So we've got to do that. Got to put them cross members in there. Put those new boxes for the taillights. New fenders. And if you look here, it's got a crack on this side, which is crazy. I mean, someone really must have done something wild with this trailer. And this side, it's hard to see, but on the back side of it, right there, there is a huge crack too. Alright, so that pretty much does it for today on the trailer. Gotta order some more parts. We already got some on the way, but we got more to order. We got a mess to clean up back here. I mean, all this is all, and I really need to clean my barn because all the tools are scattered everywhere. As always, you know, it's always a mess afterwards that you always got to clean up. So I got the lumber all cut up, and hopefully tomorrow we will be picking up some parts for this and get back on this project. So for now, we're going to clean everything up. We're going to get all the tools, the axle, the tires, everything just tidied up, get the trailer put back away, and let's go look for some parts, and we'll be back on the next one. So stay tuned for the next part on this trailer, and we'll get her all fixed up. Thanks for watching.